Hello, 605 drivers. In this module, we will cover the transactions available under dealership maintenance on dealer services. We are already logged in under our dealer South Dakota Motors, so let's get started. In the Manage Your Dealership panel, click the Dealership Maintenance hyperlink. Here, dealers will be able to update the dealership's name, business hours, addresses, and manage their insurance. We'll go into each transaction one by one to showcase their features. Click the Update Name and Business Hours hyperlink. In the dealership name field, dealers can change the name of their business. Under business hours, we can see the hours the dealership initially set during the license application. Dealers will be able to change the hours for their business, so let's do that now. Effective today, South Dakota Motors will now be open on Saturdays and closed all day on Tuesdays. So let's first click the closed checkbox for the row of Tuesday. This row is now grayed out. Let's add the new hours for Saturday. Click the closed checkbox in the row for Saturday to uncheck the box and edit the business hours for Saturday. Then in the From field, select 10 a.m. And in the To field, select 6 p.m. That's all we need to do, so let's click the Submit button. These changes have updated the dealership business hours within the account and in the internal 605Drive system. Click the OK button to dismiss this confirmation screen. And we're back to the dealership maintenance panel. Let's take a look at the Update Address transaction. Click the Update Address hyperlink. Within this transaction, dealers will be able to add, remove, or change their mailing address listed. Clicking the Change checkbox under the dealership address will open the new address fields to enter an updated location. Additionally, clicking the Add a Record hyperlink under the supplemental locations will allow dealers to enter additional branch locations for their business. South Dakota Motors doesn't need to add or update their locations, so we'll just go ahead and click the Cancel button. And click the Yes button to confirm. And we're back to the dealership maintenance once again. Lastly, let's go over the Manage Insurance transaction. Click the Manage Insurance hyperlink. Click the Get Started button. Manage the insurance is a quick transaction, and there's only one section within this transaction. Click the Start button. The provider, policy number, and coverage have all stayed the same, so the only thing South Dakota Motors would like to do is update the effective date of the insurance policy and upload the updated policy documentation. In the provider column, click the Allstate hyperlink. In the effective date field, enter January 1st, 2025. Then in the expiration date, we'll enter the updated expiration as July 1st, 2025. Lastly, we'll upload the proof of insurance. Click the Choose File button to open the File Explorer, and click the Proof of Insurance document. Click the Open button. This document has been uploaded, so we'll click the OK button. Then click the Next button. And we'll go ahead and click the Submit button. The transaction has been processed and has created an internal license review task. Dealer agents will need to review the changes South Dakota Motors has made to their insurance information before the changes will take effect. Click the OK button to dismiss this confirmation. Well, that's all we had for this module. All in all, the dealership maintenance section on dealer services will be the best place for dealership owners to update their hours, address, and insurance necessary for running their businesses smoothly.